Hello, my loves. Let's start off by giving a shout out to the notification gang here. And here we go. Cassidy has the comment of the week from Australia. Thank you so much for watching. You guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. I haven't really done anything to this wig that y'all see all the time, so I decided to go ahead and give it some color and kill two birds with one stone. A question that I get from you guys all the time is, how do I color my hair? Can I just put, this one color on it without using lightener and things of that nature? Well, in this video, I hope to show you that you have to lift hair and extract natural pigment for it to be the color that you want it to be. Now, all of the colors that you will see in this video, you have seen on my hair before I cut it, when it was like almost platinum blonde, and then I put these colors on top. You will see that these colors here, honey, do not look anything like the colors that you've seen before, because this is not lifted high enough for the colors to show up in the way that you want them to. So if you guys ever go to a hairstylist and a hairstylist, you feel like the price is too expensive because she wants to do double process hair color, please understand, for the color and the pigments to show up in a vibrant way, you have to get your hair lightened to a certain level. Now, this wig was already pre-lightened, so I'm just going to show you how the color comes out on this level of blonde, if you even want to call it that. Okay, so first I'm going in with this pearl black. I'm using all Joico colors, and I love Joico Vivid so much because they're made with a wonderful oil complex. I'm actually gonna make a blog post about it, just so you guys can go and read it. But most grandkids in my old videos were like, oh my god, your hair is so damaged, you kept coloring your hair. The only damaging color process that I ever did was the bleaching process, and it wasn't damaged because I did it properly. Mind you, in those couple of months, those 4 or 5 months that my hair was that color, I only bleached it twice, you guys, and the second time was at the very end. Okay, so every time you saw me add a vivid color, whether it was a blue, purple, pink, whatever the case was, it was this color, these vivids, which wash out after like 6 or 7 shampoos, and then you just go ahead and do a new color, honey. Yes, so that is what we're doing here, and you will see that the colors are not going to be as vibrant. Make sure you check the links in the description box below of me doing these same colors on my actual hair that was pre-lightened, and you will see the drastic difference. Okay, so like I said, first I'm just going in and putting this pearl black in for something like a shadow root, and then we are using emerald green, Kelly green, and purple, and there's like a touch of blue in the purple, but you're not really going to see the blue, mainly the purple. But yeah, you guys keep on watching. The color comes out cute and stuff, but is it as vibrant as it normally would be if the hair was pre-lightened? No, it is not. Keep on watching, girl. I'll be back, girl.
it for you. Cause you were never there for me. Don't go ask me what you did wrong. Ignorance will never see. No, wasn't it for me? Why don't you just let it be? I gave you 1, 2, and 3 times that wasting my good. Cause you're not on your knees. What's in it for me? What's in it for me? I'm not gonna wait to for you. No, can you hear me when I say I'm tired of being no one? Something used to blown away, yeah. Oh, what's in it for me? Why don't you just let it be, yeah? Cause I gave you 1, 2, and 3 times I wasted my good. Why's you're not on your knees? On your knees, what's in it for me? What's in it for me? What's in it for me? Oh, what's in it for me? What's in it? You only got 1 life to live, so don't waste them on these douchebags. These douchebags. These douchebags. I gave you 1, 2, and 3 times not wasting my good. Why's you're not on your knees? What's in it for me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's in it for me? What's in it for me? Why don't you just let it be? Oh, what's in it for me? Kind of wasting my good. Why's it not on your knee? Oh, what's in it, baby? Just say what's in it for me? What's in it for me?
When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. Baby, I won't let you down. I got it, I know you need it. Love is hit when you're around. Oh, please say that you believe it. 'Cause I don't wanna lose you. I hope you feel that way too. No, I don't wanna lose you. Baby, don't go. Don't go. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. I don't wanna lose you. I hope you feel that way too. No, I don't wanna lose you. Baby, don't go. Oh, when I get you back, oh yeah, I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. When I get you back, oh yeah. Oh. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah.
Okay, love, so we are done now. I hope you can see some of the color, just a little tinkle bit of it, but you can see what I mean. The colors are not nearly as vibrant as they would have been if the base was lighter and a little bit more for your pigment, chickarati, all that stuff, okay? But it came out really, really good. As you guys know, I'm not into melting lace or doing anything like that unless I'm going somewhere important. In this video, I just want to show you guys how the color came out as well as the cut. Now, I did not go that deep with everything because I am going to go back in and make it a little bit more vibrant. So we'll do, you know, a little bit more dimension and a little bit more definition in the cut next time. But for now, you know, this is the job that we have done. Okay, now I can see a little bit. Yes, so make sure you guys let me know in the comments below what you think about this color and this cut. I love you guys so much. Yes, girl, make sure you leave some comments before you go, okay? And make sure you are subscribed to my website right there, clickerati, okay? Make sure you click that bell. And here is my product feature, you guys. I want to start featuring, I'm cute though, a little bit, you know, but I want to start featuring some of my queens, okay? And this beauty here, I'm leaving all of her information here on the screen. This beauty here has started her own product line, so you make sure in the comments below as well as on her Instagram, you head over there and you show her some love, okay? I am so proud of you, girl. Keep on rising, and y'all make sure y'all show her some love. If you're not doing so already, make sure you subscribe. All that stuff I already said that, girl. Bye, girl.